Improvements of Link Manager and Regeneration. ZW3D 2025 introduced a tree structure diagram for easy exploration, assisting users in organizing and resolving reference issues, and breaking circular references. Optimized regeneration enable one-click and automatic regeneration, significantly improving assembly efficiency. Firstly, it is Link Manager. In ZW3D 2025, the enhanced Link Manager transforms how users interact with assembly connections. To begin, open the assembly for which we need to examine the link relationship, then access the Link Manager. Next, activate the tree structure mesh graph mode with just a click. This feature offers a clear and intuitive visualization of link relationships within the assembly. ZW3D 2025 offers 4 query modes, enabling users to examine link relationships for a specified object, between 2 objects, across an entire specified assembly, and inquire about circular references in loaded link relationships. Next, it is one-click regeneration. ZW3D 2025 integrates assembly regeneration functionality. In this new version, a single click on the toolbar's regeneration button updates all outdated comprehensively. Last, it is automatic regeneration. First, enable the auto regeneration option in configuration part. Any modifications to the design will trigger the system to automatically update the model based on its outdated status. Notice how and when components are moved, the flexible parts like the spring refresh automatically. The enhanced assembly link tree in ZW3D 2025 simplifies the management of complex assemblies and ensures the models are effortlessly up to date, boosting both efficiency and accuracy in the design process.